Guys, I am so lucky to even get gas right now. It is just packed.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Hey, if the entire city just starts flooding, man, we got the whole big rig right here, you know what I'm saying? We got the wheels and we got the snorkel up top. Alright guys, now we're filling up mom's car, the Charger. Dude, it keeps getting busier and busier, dude. I lived here my entire life, and this is absurd. Here's what the storm looks like now. It is nuts, guys. Seriously. Fuck, dude. Oh shit. Alright guys, so I am currently live right now. Alright. Look at these hurricane clouds, bro. These sunsets are gonna be killer, man. Okay guys, so it is basically 12:30 in the morning, and I'm about to head to bed, but as you can see, at 1:35 it's gonna be here. Still got a ways to go. This storm is gonna be pushed straight into us, so we'll see. Later. What's up guys, so today is day 2 of Hurricane Hilary. This is what it's looking like right now. It's just starting to get overcast. It's pretty crazy, man. This is not your normal stormy California weather clouds. This is Hurricane Hilary right here. So what's gonna be happening is it's supposed to be hitting around, I want to say 5 p.m., 6 p.m. California time. It is 11:45 in the morning. So I'll keep you guys updated. Literally, everyone in California is freaking out, guys. It is so funny to watch. I mean, we got a tropical storm watch, which is basically, it's a big deal, right? We haven't had a tropical storm watch in like 80 years, dude. Which is wild. Not just a tropical storm watch. As of yesterday, what's today? Today is Saturday. As of yesterday, I want to say mid-afternoon, we got a tropical storm warning. So that went from 0 to like 100 in like, what, a matter of a day. So guys, this does conclude part 1 of Hurricane Hilary. It's just the beginning of the storm. The storm's gonna be hitting tonight, so I will keep you all updated. It's just crazy times, dude. Just crazy times. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next part 2. Be tuned.